My name is Darren Cannell. I am working on my drawing digitally skills and trying to learn to draw faces. I ended up editing the final image into 4 different compositions. Then I posted it to 50 different art groups on Facebook. The question asked was, which one of the images do you like the most? I myself like D the most because I do not like how I drew the hair and the chin. But let us see what the people have to say about it. The results from our question. Which one do you like best? The image was shared with 56 different art groups on Facebook. 239 different people commented. Image A got 46 votes. Image B got 24 votes. Image C got 8 votes. Image D got 161 votes. Image D was the winner. Thanks to everyone who voted. She might be sad because you have not subscribed yet to the Drawing Digitally YouTube channel.